Today, many people don't know who really they are, what they want or need, or what their life path is. Unfortunately, many people are unable to let go of the things that are no longer working for them. The thing you call success was already given to you. It is with you. The issue is you are on trial mode. You try this and you try that. But what if you knew exactly what to do, who you are, and how to go about it? Will you be interested? You see, we do upgrade our computers. Our phone suggests to us to give it an update or upgrade once in a while. But what about the human software? What about us? How often do you upgrade and update yourself? Personal development is of paramount importance. Many people ignore it. The fact that you ignore the truth doesn't change it. You see, Inside Seminar will give you a good discovery of yourself, an awareness of who you are, and a mastery of yourself. When you get this, you'll be very effective in your business, you'll be effective in your relationship, and you'll be effective in every other thing you do in life. Inside Seminars will help you to create the life that you love and desire. Inside Seminars is about experiencing who you really are, discovering what you want, and seeing how you can get it. Inside Seminars will help you ignite the power of your heart. The reason you are still where you are is because of your excuses. Take action now and you'll see a big improvement in your life. My name is Godwin and I am inviting you to join Inside Seminar Cyprus. We have upcoming events. There is a workshop that is completely free for you and it will be happening on the 2nd of August in Annabelle Hotel, Paphos. We have Inside Seminar 1 coming up in October on the 7th to the 9th. So make it a part, join this team, and your life will never remain the same. Thank you.